Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and OMG, y'all, we have an amazing run glitch deal to talk about. Plus, I have a few updates to share with you all. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now just in case y'all haven't heard, we have a ton of sales going on right now. We have buy one get one free on bedding. We have buy one get one free on dinner and kitchenware. We have buy one get one free on harvest items. And we also have buy one get one 75% off on Blue Dot and Yellow Star toys. So all of the sales that I just mentioned are not supposed to end until October the 5th. Now, at the same time, we also have some weekly sales that will end tomorrow. So we have 40% off on the furniture and shelving, 40% off on clocks, 40% off on lamps. We also have throws, buy one, get one free. And then we also have the runner rugs. Those are buy one, get one half off. Now, just a quick update overall for all of the sales. This applies to all of the sales. I have noticed that a lot of these things are not ringing up buy one get one free. They are ringing up buy one get one half off. I just purchased some harvest items. Those were buy one get one half off. Luckily, Dollar General did send out a notification this morning to everybody's cell phones if you are signed up for notifications, and it said buy one get one free on harvest decor. So hopefully they will fix that in the system, but just be aware and make sure that you all are paying attention when you go up to the register, and make sure that everything is at least ringing up for you correctly. So luckily, one of my favorite employees is working this evening, so I have been at Dollar General off and on all day long. I got up super bright and early this morning, posted you guys a video, and then ran out the door. I was lucky enough to score on some laundry products, so I'm super excited about that. And this evening, I still had a couple of accounts with some 3 off 15s. I also have a couple of accounts where I'm trying to earn that $20 coupon. And let me tell you, I believe that they have totally messed with that $20 promotion, because on some of my accounts, it is tracking toward getting that coupon. On other accounts, it's not tracking at all. And I should have already received my $20 coupon on a couple of those accounts. So I know that that $20 promotion is just all messed up. But hopefully you guys are having better luck than I am. If you are, or if you're having issues, please let me know about it down in the comment section below, because today is the last day that we can get in on that promotion and get that $20 coupon back, unfortunately. But anyways, that's beside the point. That is my little quick update on all of the sales. Now, let's talk about this run glitch, all right? So right now, we do have a sale, buy one, get one free on the bedding items, and there's a lot included in that sale. And as far as I can tell, most of the bedding items are ringing up buy one get one free. Now, we do have a run glitch deal on Comfort Bay sheet sets. Okay, so what you want to do, I'm going to show you guys a little video clip here. I went into the store, looked for the Comfort Bay sheet sets. Alright, so here we are in the store. I've already done a couple of transactions, and here are the sheet sets that I picked up. Comfort Bay twin sheet sets, okay? Here's the UPC. There are different colors though, so just be aware of that. But they are normally priced around $9. I think they're $9.80 something. We'll look at the receipt here in just a second. Now, they also have the queen sheet sets. Those also work for sure. There's a UPC for you guys on that one. I also tried this brand right here, Sleep Method. Those do not work with this glitch. And then I also tried the Comfort Bay king-sized sheet set. Now, these are kind of in a different packaging, so those did not work for me at the register. So what you want to do is pick up two. And I would go ahead and try to do two that are the same price. Like I said, those twin ones, I believe, were like $9.85 or something along those lines. But we'll take a look at my receipt here in just a second. And here's just a quick look at the sign that's posted in the store. Again, this sale is supposed to go on until October the 5th. Now, here's a look at my first receipt. This is for the twin sheet sets. They are $9.38. You want to ring these up in sets of 2 because it's a buy one, get one free deal. And you want to do this at a self-checkout register. I'm not sure if it's going to work at the regular registers, but it's definitely working at self-checkout, okay? That is going to leave you paying 2 pennies, so 1 penny per sheet set. All right, guys, now let's take a look at my second transaction. So for this one, I picked up 2 of the twin-sized sheet sets at $9.38 each, and then I also picked up 2 of the king-sized sheet sets. These are $19.50 each. Again, I went through self-checkout, and as you all can see, the glitch didn't exactly work for me, but this is still a fantastic deal because we're looking at about $60 worth of products here, okay? I hate to keep having to say sheet set because it might sound like I'm saying something else, but I promise y'all I'm not. Anyways, for this transaction, I thought it would be 4 cents, but I actually paid $11.06, and that is with tax. So you guys can do the math on that if you would like, but $60 all the way down to $11. I will take that any day of the week for 4 packs of sheets. All right, guys, so there you have it. Run on out and grab this deal before DG fixes it in the system or before employees start pulling them off the shelves, all right? Now, I'm going to run back. I'm going to try out a few more things, and if I come up with anything else, you guys will be the first to know. But in order to be the first to know, y'all have to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.